Why trade Forex? Duh. There's more profit. You get to set your own hours. It's no manipulation. It's the lowest transaction cost. And it's filled with liquidity. So who wouldn't want more money? Money is profit, right? You get to set your own hours. Whether you want to work 4 hours a day, 2 hours the next day, 12 hours the following day. Set your own hours. There's no manipulation. No one is controlling you. Think about a string puppet, for example, and you're controlling that puppet. Now imagine a puppet with no strings. You're free. Nobody's telling you what to do and when to do it. Overall, there's no manipulation. It's the lowest transaction cost. With that being said, you would have a broker, and the broker would take their percentage of each trade, whether you win or lose that trade. But remember, it's the lowest transaction cost. It doesn't cost a whole lot. There's liquidity. Liquidity is how active the market is. Wouldn't you want to be in a place where it's active to profit? These are the reasons why you should trade in the Forex market.